Hello, welcome to Pinktown. For today's new arrivals, we have some sorority earrings, bracelets, and necklaces. They will be listed in the description below if you want to check them out. Starting off, we have a blue gold Greek letter dangle earrings, and a pink and green as well. Then with our stud earrings, we have blue gold Africa hand signs. These are blue gold. These are pink and green. Ivy leaf. And we have some heels, blue and gold heels, two versions. Pink and green heels, two versions as well. And our shield. These are all stud earrings, so they all have similar backings like this one. Here we have our bracelets, which are pink and green, starting off with this one strand glass bead bracelet. We have a year, hand sign, letters, ivy leaf. This is a stretch bracelet. Then we have the same version in a pink and green pearl with the same charms as the last one. And then we have a 4-strand bracelet with different elephant charms. A mixture of pearl beads and glass beads. Lastly, we have these two necklaces, silver necklaces with similar charms as the bracelets. This one has glass beads, the year, hand sign, letters, and ivy leaf. And then we have a pearl version as well, also silver, with the same charms on it. If you see anything you like, they will be listed in the description down below. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep making videos for you guys. Thank you.